HxGN EAM Root Cause Analysis. This tab provides a structured way to capture detailed information about asset failures, ensuring a comprehensive documentation process. In this example, we recorded a centrifugal pump failure caused by excessive vibrations. The screen offers a clear overview of essential data, including the costs incurred for repairs and downtime, the total downtime hours, and any productivity losses resulting from the failure. Additionally, it provides insights into the equipment involved and highlights critical dates such as when the issue was detected, when corrective actions were taken, and when the asset was restored to full operation. The comments section provides a summary of key findings. The task section guides you step by step through the RCA process, from initial data collection and assessment to the verification of corrective actions. Here, EAM allows you to link corrective measures directly to impacted equipment. The fishbone diagram Ishikawa analysis in HxGN EAM provides a visual representation of root causes, organized into clear categories such as operational issues, maintenance shortcomings, environmental influences, and equipment wear. This visualization simplifies identifying and understanding the most impactful causes, facilitating targeted corrective actions. In the Root Causes section, details specific reasons behind equipment failures, categorized clearly for prioritization. Ready for the next step? Trust the AI and EAM experts at HxGN.